In this video, I'm going to show you a new tool I've been using called Taja AI, which takes my YouTube videos and generates new SEO optimized titles, descriptions, tags, and in some cases thumbnails. So I'm going to show you all that, but let me just get this started. Here is one of my channels. I have this video here that has only got 27 views in its lifetime. I'm going to go ahead and get the shareable link. I'm going to go back over here and link to that. And so while that is running, I'm going to tell you some more about Taja AI. It's going to work best with videos that have voice, because what it does is it pulls that transcript from the video and it analyzes the words, and then it generates SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. So here we go. You can see it's got me a new title. It's got a new description. And what I really like is it always creates the chapters. I love that. And then it has all of these tags. Honestly, for most of my videos, I skip the tags because it's so time consuming. And this does it for me. Okay, now here, if I wanted, I could pick a different title. So it generates a few that I can choose from, and it gives them scores. So it tells me which ones are the best. Now, down here is the transcript. So this is what it's pulled from the video. And then I can also generate a new thumbnail if I wanted, and I definitely want one. So I'm going to go ahead and have a new one generated. You can also have one generated that pulls your face from the videos. So that's another option. I actually don't like those because I always look funny. But see, here are some different options here. I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. It's a good looking one. And you can also go and edit it. So once you've chosen a thumbnail, you can go in here and make any changes you want. There aren't a lot of edits you can make, but you can add an image and add a text box. Now, if you add an image, you do have to add one of your images, so they don't have built-in images as of right now. If you don't like a title, you can actually add in additional information if you don't think it's long enough. Simple stock tips. So I could add that title, and then if I want, I can have the description regenerated by clicking continue. So now it's going to study the title I put in, and now it's going to generate a new description for me. So here we go. It's got new content there for me. It's generated some different tags based on that. So my favorite part of all of this is because I have connected my YouTube channel in the past and shared permissions, I can actually make these updates from right here. I just press publish now, and it will automatically update my video with the new title, the new descriptions, the tags, the new thumbnail, anything I've changed. Then you can choose to create new content based on that video. I already did that because it takes 10 or 15 minutes and I didn't want you to have to wait. So now I'm just going to view the repurposed content that's already been generated. Just wanted you to know that it will take a little time for that to generate. But basically, it's taken content from that video and pulled it out into shorts that I can then publish to try to get more views and to get people to go back to that main video and watch the whole entire video. So for every single short, it gives you a score on how good it should do, has a title, it has tags, it has a link to the original video, and then you can preview it to make sure it's okay.
I'll admit that I spent way too much on liabilities that required a continuous.
So let's say you decide you want to edit that. You click edit, and then you can change the design of these captions. So all kinds of designs they have. And then if you don't like the position,
I'll admit that
you can actually drag it, or actually the easiest way, it doesn't always
spent way too much on liabilities
right
that required
I can drag it like that, or you can actually just
maintain,
use this.
repair, or replace them. Those were things like boats, RVs.
So that's actually the easiest way, is just to use the slider here. You can also change the size and the color. So when you leave, it will ask you if you want to apply that style to all of your videos, and I'll just choose apply. I can always change it. Or you could just click cancel and not do that. On other platforms that I've used, I've had to download these and take them to my channel. I can publish them from here. I can also schedule them from here. I can also bulk schedule them from here, which is what I prefer to do. So you just choose bulk auto, and then you've got to go and choose the ones you want to automate here. I'll just choose those. And then you choose submit, and it will just scatter them onto your calendar. I'm not going to actually schedule all those because I preview all of them to make sure they're going to make sense. And sometimes I'll go through and add different descriptions here that I want to include. So I always preview all of them. I recommend you do the same. Actually, there's one other thing I didn't show you on the edit. You can also edit the duration. You can't add length, but you can take away length. Okay, sorry, missed that earlier. Now, when you want to look at your scheduled posts, you can go to your content calendar right here, and it will show you what you've got coming up. So this is one that I have, but I actually have several through February that I have scheduled out. So basically it looks like it just does one a day. Now, that's not all. Let me go back to that video because I mean, that is impressive, but actually it gets even better. So you go back to view repurposed content. You can pull clips and text. So it will automatically generate text if it feels like it's a good fit, but sometimes it doesn't, like for the blog post. So you have to manually choose to generate that. But basically it's given me a LinkedIn post that I can publish or schedule directly to my LinkedIn account from here. And it gives me these X threads as well. And you can actually post these directly from here. I just find that to be so amazing. So let me show you how to link your accounts. Under linked accounts, you can add lots of YouTube channels, and that's great because I actually have several YouTube channels that I run. On the other media platforms I've used, I've only been allowed to have one YouTube channel. So that was a pleasant surprise, but I am still limited to just one social media account for each of those. Now you'll notice on LinkedIn, I have more than one. That's because I have business pages. So it did automatically sync those. I was really happy about that as well. Now I'm going to take you into some of my channels and just show you what I've done so you can see how this works. So here on this channel, I added several shorts, and you can see this was just yesterday. I'm already getting a lot of views on there. So generating shorts takes a long time. You can see how my other shorts have performed not very well. So their SEO is working. Let me show you another channel. I have this one. This one is Audio Attic, and this one has audiobooks. So this worked really, really good for this purpose, to repurpose the content, because it took snippets of the audiobooks and turned them into shorts, which worked really great, actually. It gives people a sample of the voices, the AI voices that I've used in the books, and just kind of what it sounds like. So I got some of those out yesterday, already getting lots of views on there. And then I have optimized content on this channel that you're currently on right now and watching. I went through on some of these to try to optimize them, because I have some that just don't get views, even though it's really, really good content. And I know people want it, but they're not finding it for some reason. So I'm hoping that will help me out on that end. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that because I think it is such a time saver for me to generate content and repurpose it. So you've got to try this out. There's a link below. You can do a free trial. So you can go try this out right now. And one more thing, you don't necessarily have to have the video on your YouTube channel. You can actually start the whole upload process from here, which is what I'm going to do with this very video that you're watching. I'm going to actually upload it as a video here and run that to my YouTube channel. So it will read the transcript, and it's going to generate the title and the description and everything. And so thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, try out Taja AI, and goodbye.